Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders Giants on PC without a portal. Many fans want to revisit this classic adventure, and it is entirely possible to do so using modern methods. We will cover the essential software and configurations needed to bring your favorite Skylanders to life on your computer screen. Get ready to embark on an epic journey with your beloved characters, all from the comfort of your desktop. The key to playing Skylanders Giants without a physical portal lies in emulation. Emulators are powerful software programs that mimic a console's hardware, enabling your PC to run games originally designed for systems like the Nintendo Wii. The Dolphin emulator is a highly recommended option, known for its stability and compatibility with many Wii games, including Skylanders Giants. This method effectively bypasses the need for the physical portal device. Once you have your emulator, the next step is to acquire the Skylanders Giants game file. This digital version, often called a ROM or ISO, is crucial for the emulator to load the game. Within the emulator's settings, you will find options to simulate the portal. This involves configuring virtual figures or using specific codes to unlock characters, allowing you to play without any physical accessories. Ensure your game file is compatible with your chosen emulator. For the best experience, connect a PC-compatible controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad. This provides a familiar and comfortable way to control your Skylanders. Experiment with the emulator's graphic settings to enhance visual fidelity, perhaps even playing in high definition. You can also fine-tune performance options to ensure smooth gameplay, aiming for a consistent 60 frames per second. Enjoy your portal-free adventure with your favorite Skylanders.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.